Hello and welcome. Today we will be going through the OptiAssist for Simcenter3D tutorial 1, the topography of a flat plate under torsion. Here I have already loaded up the model. You'll find that under your GRM folder under topography, and this is tutorial 1. So the first thing we are going to do with this plate is analyze the initial single analysis. Going to click solve, no, cancel and close. From here we're going to take a look at the results. Structural, displacement and then magnitude. So here you can see the displacement. The maximum displacement is taking place at the corners here, 0.0135 millimeters. And so from here we are going to take a look at the optimization using topography. When you're happy with that, we're going to click return to home, and under the OptiAssist ribbon click on topography optimization. This opens up the optimization setup window. For the first tab of subcase, we're going to click on twist solution, click next. Under design rule we are going to click new. For the upper limit we are going to create it to be 0.8, and for the lower limit 0. For the shape vector we want it to be normal to surface, and the shape control sphere radius, and the radius will be 2. For the coordinate system, we would like that to be the coordinate system in the middle of the plate. So specify it, we want to be inferred, coordinate system under here, entire assembly, and I'm just going to click on it there. Because this is a symmetrical plate, we can add mirroring. So for the mirror symmetry, we are going to click on ZX and then YZ. Once you're happy with that, we're going to click OK, and we're going to add the rule. You can see it added there. From here, we're going to click next and define the goal type to be maximize stiffness. We don't need to get current mass, so we're just going to leave that there. However, we are going to click on the subcase right there. Click on next. No further constraints are required, so again click next. Under the settings tab we are going to change the max design cycles to 40. And note the optimizer has been changed to SDO, which is the optimizer for topography. And click OK. And then we are going to solve. Once that has ran, we're just going to close the windows and then take a look at the design history. And here we can see the design objective, in this case the compliance, has decreased as the design cycles have continued. So we know the optimization has worked. We just click close. And we can now plot the shape. So click shape contour, load results, latest cycle, and hit plot. And it should produce this symmetric pattern. Note that this will differ depending on the version of OptiAssist you use, but as long as the pattern is symmetric and a design history shows a decrease in compliance, you should be fine. We now need to just update the model from the results. I'm just going to close this, update model from results, latest cycle, OK, and yes. And here you can see the plate has now been updated from the optimization. This concludes the tutorial.